Hey guys, welcome to another video brought to you by Beats Media, a channel dedicated to helping you build your reselling business. I just wanted to make a real quick video showing you guys how to research if something will sell for profit. If you're at a thrift store, garage sale, just pull out your phone and the eBay app and follow these instructions. So right here we have the free eBay app, and if you're currently in a thrift store and you're looking to see what the value of something is, you could easily just go up here and click on this picture icon. And it'll show up as a barcode scanner. So say if I found this copy of Halo 2 at the thrift store, I could just scan the barcode and it'll tell me how much people are currently listing Halo 2 on eBay for. And if you go up to this section right here where it says filter, click on that, scroll all the way down, and then you'll see sold items. And then it'll filter out to what people are actually paying for Halo 2. For example, this person paid $6.95 in addition to free shipping, and then $6.39. And it also gives you the date that these items are sold for. So 2/18/19, this was just sold today. 2/18/19, all of these were sold just today. However, if you have an item that doesn't have the barcode, you could just search up the item, like the Star Trek mug. Let's try to find that on eBay. So I just typed in Star Trek mug, search. And let's see if we could find something similar. There's a lot of Star Trek mugs, so I'm not going to sort through all of these. Let's go to filter and then go over to sold items again and see if there's any under this section that sold recently. Oh, here we have it. Here we have this exact same Star Trek mug that we have over here. It's on eBay and it was just sold on February 4th, 2019. And we click on that. And we can see the original listing here. This one sold for $17.91 in condition new. So I bought this at a thrift store here, so I won't be listing it as new. However, I can scroll down on the listing and find one that's actually for sale. So this one is currently for sale. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you'll see sell one like this. So if I click on that, it'll populate everything similar to that listing. Like it'll already give me a title, the category, and the description of the item. All I have to do is take a picture of it, in addition to sorting out the pricing, in addition to figuring out the shipping, like the dimensions of the box, the weight. And I could also choose to do free shipping, which means that I'll pay for it. But to start off, I'll most likely have the buyers pay for the shipping, and then you could preview your listing or list your item. So if you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.